Cucumber is colored.
Cucumber colors.
Blended cucumber.
Yeah, this is blended cucumber.
So hello. Yes, normally it's supposed to look like this. The way it is now.
Let me see.
Okay. It's supposed to be full, but this is all we have. Are we together?
Yes, sir.
Yeah? Okay. I add this. I'm supposed to have, no, this is another thing now. I'm supposed to have this as well. Then I'm supposed to have my gin. It's a gin-based cocktail, gin. Gin is supposed to be there. Full glass. This is what you like, right? Okay, I'll make it half. Join. Who is mine? I trust her. Okay. Lemon? Just put this one. Is it okay? Or I should make it a bit bigger? Sugar. I follow it up with this.
And then what?
I like this, the color especially.
Even cost us
You know, it's because of the color. Like soft drink, most soft drink when they come, if you put. Eh? Madam, you don't like this color? Paint your house. Now men supposed to open eye like this. But now eye open wide.
Yes, sir. Okay.
There are people who don't want to drink.
Drink that thing. That thing is good for your body.
Hold on. Don't.
You know, see, I look at your hand, your mama by your hand. You say, you'll be a good wife. You're going to buy your papa and my
Break time. Come.
I'm not disputing that. I'm done with you even today.
If you can provide more materials, we'll do more. We will sex on the beach.
No,
No, but you don't say sex on the beach.